Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Stop wasting your money on gear that snaps the second you hook a trophy. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking for a best fishing rod and reel or a pro chasing a new PB, your setup is your most important tool. Today, we are breaking down the top fishing rod and reel combo options right now. I've tested everything from carbon fiber composite travelers to heavy-duty saltwater beasts to find you the absolute best fishing setup for the money. We're counting down from number 5 to our number 1 pick, and trust me, the number 1 spot is a legendary full metal body reel that is practically indestructible. You do not want to miss why it beat the competition. Let's get to the water. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Number 5. The Portability King, Sougayilang Telescopic Combo. Starting our list at number 5 is the Sougayilang Fishing Rod Reel Combo, the undisputed champion of the backpack fishing kit. If your goal is travel-friendly rod design without breaking the bank, this is the best budget fishing rod reel for you. This telescopic fishing rod features a high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass blend, giving it a hard and durable backbone that collapses in seconds. The standout feature here is the 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearing system. It offers a level of smoothness rarely seen at this rod and reel price. While it's a fantastic angler starter kit for hikers and campers, remember that it's designed for convenience. It's the best fishing pole and reel set for those just-in-case moments when you stumble upon a hidden lake, but always treat those telescopic joints with a little extra love to ensure a long life. Number 4. The all-in-one value Placino Fishing Kit. Coming in at number 4 is the Placino Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, which remains the most popular choice for a complete fishing tackle combo. The hook for this product is its sheer completeness. It's a total angler starter kit that includes lures, line, and a carrier case. The rod itself is a collapsible fishing pole made with carbon fiber composite, engineered for perfect elasticity. This makes it an ideal best fishing rod for beginners who are still perfecting their hook sets. With a 5.2 to 1 gearbox ratio, the retrieve is consistent and reliable. It's a compact fishing set that excels in freshwater fishing, especially for bass and trout. If you want an affordable rod and reel that removes all the guesswork and gets you on the water immediately, Placino is your go-to. Number 3. The Smooth Operator Abu Garcia Max X. At number 3, we have the Abu Garcia Max X Spinning Combo, a setup that brings professional-grade engineering to the everyday angler. The best topic for this combo is line management. Thanks to the Rocket Line Management System and V-spool design, this is the best fishing setup for eliminating those frustrating wind knots. It features an asymmetric graphite frame that makes the whole unit feel incredibly light in your hand, reducing fatigue during a long day of bass fishing combo action. The 4+1 stainless steel ball bearing system provides that signature Abu Garcia silky feel. While it's a lightweight fishing stick and spinner, it's built for precision. If you're looking for a rod and reel pairing that offers pro sensitivity at a mid-range price, the Max X is a top-tier choice for any freshwater fishing enthusiast. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to be here. Subscribe to Best Tendency right now to secure your front row seat for regular deep dives into the world's most elite, top-model global gear and the gadgets defining the future. Number 2. The Versatility Innovator Cast King Spartacus 2. Our runner-up is the Cast King Spartacus 2 twin-tip combo, and the best topic here is innovation. This is the only fishing gear on our list that offers a twin-tip design, effectively giving you 2 rods for the price of 1. Built on CastFlex IM6 graphite blanks, this rod is a master of sensitivity and power. But the reel is the real star, boasting a massive 22 pounds of max drag and a 7+1 maxi-dur bearing system. It's a top fishing rod and reel combo for the angler who wants to switch between techniques without switching setups. Whether you're using the casting reel for heavy lures or the spinning version for finesse, the aerospace aluminum main gears ensure this is a heavy-duty contender. It's a best fishing reel candidate for anyone who demands high-tech performance and a bold, striker green aesthetic. Number 1. The indestructible legend Penn Battle Spinning Combo. Finally, our number 1 spot goes to the powerhouse, the Penn Battle Spinning Reel and Fishing Rod Combo. The best topic for the Penn Battle is durability. In the world of saltwater fishing and big game fishing reels, this is the gold standard. While other brands use graphite to save weight, Penn uses a full metal body, side plate, and rotor to ensure your gears never slip under the weight of a monster fish. The HT100 carbon fiber drag washers are the best in the business, offering smooth stopping power that won't fade during a long fight. This is the best fishing rod and reel for the professional angler who needs a tank on the water. It's braid-ready, heavy-duty, and built to withstand the harshest salt spray. When it comes to the best fishing setup of 2026, the Penn Battle is simply in a league of its own. So now, decision time. There you have it, the top 5 fishing rod and reel combo review results. If you need a portable fishing gear setup, go for the Sougayilang or Placino. For precision bass fishing, the Abu Garcia Max X is your best friend. If you want the latest tech and versatility, grab the Cast King Spartacus 2. But if you want a heavy-duty setup that will last a lifetime, the Penn Battle is the king of the sea. Thanks for watching. I've put the best rod and reel price links in the description below so you can snag these deals. If this review helped you pick your next best fishing rod, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We have some even more exciting review videos coming your way next week where we're testing smart lures and deep sea sonar. You won't want to miss it. Tight lines and happy fishing.